In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade Exness on MetaTrader 5. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to sign in to your Exness personal area. And then from here, you want to, of course, create the account you want to use. Could be real or demo. You can do this by clicking the Open Account button here and go through the steps and create your account. So I actually just created an account over here. As you can see, I have multiple demo accounts. I'm going to use this one for this tutorial. And then what you have to do here is hit this Trade button. And then you want to click on MetaTrader 5 over here. And then whenever you do this, you'll be able to basically see kind of your server and the MT5 login you need. And of course, the password, which you had to set once you actually opened your account. Now from here, you can just download this terminal by clicking over here, install it onto your computer. And now I'm going to show you exactly what to do when you've done this. If this happens to you, which sometimes does happen, if it says this site cannot be reached, you can just simply go to the official website of MetaTrader and download MetaTrader 5 from there. It's gonna work the same way. Then the only things you have to know are these two things over here, and the password is the one you set. So I'm actually gonna go and move this away over here. And I'm going to show you inside MT5 how to actually trade. So you want to go to MT5, then go to the top left, click on File, and then click on Open an Account. From here, type in Exness, and what you could also do is simply type in the server which was required for you. So for me, it was this one. If I do find your company, it's going to find this one, Exness Technologies Ltd. And most of the time, this is going to be the one you're going to be using. So I'm going to click on here and then next. And you simply want to go to the bottom, connect with existing trade account. You want to type in the MD5 login, which is the number. Then you want to go and just type in your password, which you set for yourself, pick the correct server, and then click on Finish. That's going to connect you over to your MD5 from Exness. As you can see, top left, I'm currently in my demo account. Now to actually start trading in here, you can go to over here on top of your chart, click on a new order, and then from here you can create your new order. You can go and select which one you want, the type over here, market, limit, stop, or stop limit. Then you can pick your symbol. I'm actually going to pick this one over here. You can pick the volume in euros. I'm going to do, for example, let's do like 10. Or I'm going to do like over here, as you can see, it's going to be a volume like this. There we go. You want to put on a stop loss as well if you want to. Then you want to put on a take profit if you want to as well. And then you have the fill policy here, and you can also add a comment. Once you're ready, you can then go and buy or sell. And that's essentially all you have to do to trade on Exness on MetaTrader 5. Now you could also go to over here on the top left of your chart, where you could also go and type in the amount, the volume, and then quickly buy or sell. And you have to accept these terms to allow you basically quick buying or selling. And then if you go to the bottom left here, the trade section, you can see your buys and sells over here, okay? So that's how easy it is to actually trade on MetaTrader 5 from Exness. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.